Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look right here. I had really fun creating this look. I freaking love it so much. Like, ooh, it's so fucking pretty. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Alright, so I already primed my eye with my P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor 1. So the type of eye look I'm gonna be doing today, I'm just gonna be using tape to get the part where I'm gonna want without eyeshadow. It's like I'm gonna recreate a look I've done already, but just different eyeshadow colors. I'm looking down right here because I have a mirror right here, by the way. Right shit. Okay, so this is how I have the tape. Is because I'm gonna make a liner going here and I'm gonna have no eyeshadow right there. It's easier putting the tape than actually taking concealer or a Q-tip and just removing the eyeshadow and trying to create a straight line. Alright, so taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, you know, the OG palette, I'm gonna be going in the shade Creamsicle and I'm just gonna be packing it on. Oh shit. Why are you fucking coming off? I'm just gonna be putting it on my crease. Like I said, we're gonna be packing this shade on. It's, to be honest, it's hard to see with this stupid tape. I really don't know how the hell I did it last time. I mean, I did it the same way, but like, I don't know how the fuck I did my eyeshadow with this tape. Alright, so now that I got the yellow to where how I want it to be, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Pukey, and I'm just gonna be applying this also in my crease, making sure I let the shade Creamsicle still show up, not trying to bring it all the way up. I am packing and also blending at the same time. Also, this is gonna be our main color. Basically, this is a really simple look. It's just the liner that makes it look really glamorous. As you can see, my tape is already coming off. But I'm just gonna leave it on like how it is right now. Going back in with Creamsicle, just blending these shades together. Now taking a clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna be further blending out the shade Creamsicle just to make it not look so harsh right here at the end. Now with the packing brush, going back in with the same shade Pukey and applying this all over my eyelid. Kind of move the tape right there. Going back in with the blending brush just to further blend out this right here, my crease. Taking a packing brush, and I'm just going back in with that shade Pukey right here, and I am just gonna be deepening up my crease just because I feel like it needs a little bit more, just more definition right here in my crease. All right, now time to take off the tape. Oh wow, that ain't do shit. Anyways, I knew because I was pushing it down. I'm gonna just be taking my micellar water and a little bit on a Q-tip just so I can remove the mascara. Mascara, what the fuck? Just so I can remove the eyeshadow as the eyeliner that I want. I don't know if you can see because I was like looking down, but I am taking the Q-tip and I am just dragging it like if I were making a wing, and basically that's how I am cleaning it up and trying to maintain it nice and straight. And right here, if y'all can see how I am doing that right there, just removing all the excess of the eyeshadow that I have where I don't need it or want it. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking whatever I have in the back of my hand of the P. Louise that I had earlier to add on my lid. And I'm just going to be taking it and basically cleaning it up right here, trying to define the line. Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm just going to be taking this liner. It's basically dried out. I just use it to use all my glitters, like this glitter, and put it on top. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I am going to be creating a wing, but I'm going to be doing it on top. And basically you're going to still see the concealer. And well, you'll just see how it'll turn out. This is also Revolon glitter. Revolon Photo Eye Ready glitter, I guess. A duo thing. Now I'm going to be taking my fine glitter and I'm going to be applying it on top, also mixed with a little bit of the gel glitter like, so it can stick. And this is just like, I don't know if y'all can see, it has a pretty nice halo effect. And like, it's so cute. Like, it looks better than just plain gold. So that's why I'm going to put it on top. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm just going to be applying lashes right here. And there's gonna be nothing there, so you're just gonna see the lash band. And basically this is mainly the whole look. All right, now that I have both eyes on, I'm just gonna apply these lashes. These are in the style Love Me Baby. I guess it meant to say Love Me Baby, but it's like this, L-A-V, you know, Love Me Baby, or Love. And these are super duper cute. These are from the brand Lash Pop. I will link them down below. I'm just gonna be taking my Fat Lash mascara, applying that before I put on the lashes. So this is what it looks like with lashes on. You know, just gotta wait till it gets a little more dry. Alright, so I'm gonna just do my face off camera and I'll be back to do the underneath the eye. I'm thinking about adding glitter. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it the way it is. But this is how it's looking like so far, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, now I have basically everything. I just need my highlight and the lips. So I'm just gonna do my lower lash with you guys. So first I'm gonna be going in with Pukey. Taking this right underneath. Now taking this little small detailed blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. Going back in with the same brush I used for Crimsicle, and blending this out. I'm bringing this pretty far down because I'm gonna add glitter. Now I'm just gonna be taking my Too Faced glitter glue and I'm just gonna be applying this right underneath. I'm gonna do a little like triangle shape so it can look like basically like if I'm crying glitter. That's basically what I'm doing right here. I've seen a lot of people do this and it actually looks really cute. This is cute. This is cute. Now I'm gonna add the chunky glitter right underneath. Hopefully this doesn't fuck it up. Ooh, this is super cute. Can y'all see it? Cute. Cute, 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 cute. Obviously, without this is how the look would look. You know, super cute. Can y'all see it? But you know, I just wanted to be extra. I haven't played with makeup in a while, so what? Why not? Okay, so that's that with the glitter. I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara underneath for my lower lashes. I'm gonna just be taking some of my highlight and applying this in my inner corner. And also on my brow bone, applying this right there. Knobby lip liner in the shade Cocoa. My lip lining is so bad, but I don't care. I always just mainly use the lipstick. I don't even know why I lip line, to be honest. I never do it right. But when I don't, I tend to like take the lipstick somewhere else. If y'all haven't tried this lipstick, it's Pixie lipstick in the shade Posh Nude. It's from the pack from Miriam Maquillaje and Pixie. They have like a glitter set and this that comes together. This lipstick is so fucking good. Look, it's just so fucking beautiful, and it's so freaking soft on the lips too. And the glitter, the smoky glitter, oh, that is beautiful. Let me just show you guys real quick. They have two sets. This is the night set, and this is the glitter right here. It is so fucking pretty. Let me just swatch it right here so y'all can see. I have a video of swatching all the stuff when I got it on PR, and this combo is fucking bomb. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I love it, to be honest. I actually really do love it. So this is what it came out. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed, to be honest. I think I might be doing my makeup like this all the time now, because it was honestly super easy. It's just I forgot how to do makeup, you know. It's been a while I've done makeup on myself, so I was kind of struggling a little bit, but it was really easy. Next time I'll get it like this. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you recreate it, please tag me in it. I will freaking love to see what you came up with. And yeah, I'll just see you in my next video. Bye.